Hey YouTube friends, welcome back to Paws4Orchids. My name is Luisa and I love orchids. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, I'm glad you've joined us. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Now let's get started. Hey everybody, we're going to do a small unboxing video today. I got some orchid mail, which I absolutely love to get. So let's check out what I got. I got this on, I want to say it was about 2 weeks ago. I ordered it at an online auction sale that I participated in again. Those are becoming quite dangerous. So let's check out what's in the box. Okay, there's all kinds of sizes in here. Big ones, small ones, and a very varied box of orchid mail. So this first one is a Cattleya type. Seems pretty healthy. Needs to be a little hydrated, but that is to be expected. She's been in a box for a bit. So that is one. Hoping you can see that. Very healthy looking orchid. Oh, let me see if I have her tag in here somewhere. Where's her tag? Where is the tag? Found it. Wow, I can't pronounce that. Cattleya Suvarabhumi Delight. I'm sure I chopped that up. I cannot pronounce that. So that is one. Let's see what else I have in here. I've got two Vandas in here, and one of them is in spike. I'm going to show you the one that's not in spike first, just to keep you in suspense a little bit anyway. Maybe I can't. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Okay, this is the small one. Looks like a seedling, but that's okay. Yeah, I can't pronounce this either. Utipanawara Manuya. I'm not sure how to pronounce any of that. But there she is. She's a little wrinkled. Her leaves are a little wrinkled. But again, that's okay. She's been in a box for a minute, for a hot minute. A little bit of hydration, she'll be just fine. And this one is in spike. I'm so excited. Oh, I just lost one of the buds. That's okay, she's got a few more left. She's in spike. Vanda Rajori? I'm not sure. But she's in spike. How exciting. I'm going to hang her up right behind me because I want to preserve the buds that are left. Then I have two more Vandas. And these are It was in spike and it blasted. So at least I know these are blooming size. So this is one. Vanda Naporn Golden Dream crossed with Tawuska. I'm sure I chopped that up. And this one is Vanda Thailand Blue Boy. That one I think I did okay with. But I think these are both blooming size orchids. The other one for sure is, just because I see that she has spiked before. It was probably her first spike and it blasted. No big deal. She will spike again. This one is not as dehydrated as the other one, but like I said, not a problem. They will be fine. I love getting orchid mail. How exciting. Okay, so that is another one. I'm running out of space on this table, y'all. And I think this is my last set. Yeah. This is the last one. It's been 2 weeks, so I don't exactly remember what I ordered. I have to go back and check. Oh, I know what I ordered. Bunches and bunches of Talumnias. They are all different. And I see a few in spike. This is exciting. I see a few in spike. Here's another one that's in spike. Ah, how exciting. Let me see. Anybody else? No, that's it. But hey, not bad. I got 3 in spike upon arrival. Ah, I cannot wait to see them. So that has been it. These are all rainbow hybrids, different ones. So not really sure what we're gonna get until they actually open. But I'm excited to see it. That's been the unboxing for Paws4Orchids. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you know when I post something new. In the meantime, let's grow together. And don't be a stranger. Bye.